All right, so guys, this is number 26 out of the review for the final, and it says, in a survey of 2,020 adults in a recent year, 723 made a New Year's resolution to eat healthier. It says, construct 90% and 95% confidence intervals for the population proportion, and interpret the results and compare the widths of the confidence intervals. Okay, so the way I'm going to do this, y'all, I'm going to use my calculator. I'm going to go to stats, and then I'm going to click on tests, and I'm going to click on the one proportion Z interval. Okay, so let me show you how I'm going to do that. And a couple of things I need to know. In this case, my N is the 2020. That's how many people we had. My X number is my 723. That's how many out of that 2020 made New Year's resolutions to eat healthier. And for my C level, the first time I'm going to do this, my confidence level is 90%, so it's going to be a 0.90. Okay, so look, we're going to go stat. Let me exit out of here. So let's hit done. Okay, let me clear this. Stat, test. And I'm going to scroll down to one proportion Z interval. It's kind of towards the bottom. It's on my app. It's choice A. So I'm going to click on that one right there. We said our X was something like 713, I think is what my number was. My N was 2020. My confidence level was 0.90. Let me make sure I'm putting the right X number. 723. Oops. So let's change that X to a 723, 723. And everything else should be good. So if you notice, my lower level is a 0.340. My upper level is a 0.375. So 0.370, comma 0.375, I think were the numbers that we had. Let me just make sure. 340, sorry. 340, so let's fix this here. Okay, 340. Okay, so look, I'm gonna enter that in on my actual problem. So right here, y'all, I'm gonna put 0.340. Over here, 0.375. I'm gonna check my answer, and we got it. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but for 95%. So guys, this one, the only thing we're going to change right here on the C level, instead of 0.90, 0.95, and then to change your lower level, upper level, just move the arrows a little bit, okay? So 0.337 and 0.379. So 0.337, 0.3337, and 0.379 for the next one. Okay, we got it. Okay, now it says, with the given confidence, it can be said that now what are we looking for? I'm going to show you real quick, guys. If you notice right here, population proportion, right? Population proportion is always what we're measuring here. Okay, so I'm going to go population proportion of adults who said they've made a New Year's resolution is, and we're always going to say between the endpoints, okay? So I got a picture for you guys over here. So, and let me see, I want to put the two confidence intervals that we had. So 0.340, 0.375. So right here, 0.340, 0.375, right? This was our 90%, right? Now our 95% was a bigger interval because it was 0.337 and 0.379. So 0.337 and 0.379. So I know it's not that much bigger, but look, 0.379 is bigger than 0.375, so it's further to the right. 0.337 is smaller than 0.340, so it's further to the left. So what we're saying is the red interval, right, the 95% confidence interval is bigger than the one at 90%, right? So let's come back here, let's check our answer, and boom, we got it. And which one did we say was wider? We said the 95% is wider. Okay, guys, just in general, the bigger percentage is going to be the wider one. All right, we got it.